Here in New Mexico and across the country, activists are taking to the streets to protest police brutality and demand racial justice in the wake of the tragic deaths of George Floyd, Breonna Taylor, and countless others. As you make your voices heard, know your rights.
The right to protest and peacefully assemble is a fundamental right guaranteed by the United States Constitution and the First Amendment. During any protest or demonstration, the police may order you not to interfere or obstruct an investigation. That's why it's important to keep aware of your surroundings and keep a safe distance from any police activity. If an officer asks you to step away or step back, make sure to follow that officer's command.
You have a right to record police, and this is especially important during public protests and demonstrations when the police are likely to interface with the public. And so if you are not directly involved in an encounter and you see a situation where police are interacting with the public, you can simply pull out your cell phone, use it to take photos, use it to record a video. We also suggest that you upload the Mobile Justice app to your phone so that any video or photo that you record or take will be uploaded automatically in the ACLU's secure server. If you are directly approached by an officer, you still have the right to record. But if you don't have your cell phone on hand, say it's in your pocket or it's in your purse, you want to let the officer know first that you're reaching for your phone. And this is extremely important so that you don't startle the officer or create a dangerous situation.
Police may not like that you're recording them, but that does not mean they can take your phone away. They would need probable cause that you've been involved in a crime or a warrant. Also, police may not make you delete anything from your phone without your consent. If an officer tries to make you hand over your phone, tell them, "I do not consent, please get a warrant."
When you go to a protest, make sure that your cell phone has a strong password that consists of at least 6 digits. This way it will be difficult to break into. If you're not using your phone, make sure to put it on airplane mode. Police are able to track protesters with radio signals. Don't make it easier for them. Disable any settings on your phone that allow it to be unlocked with either your face or your thumbprint so that police cannot unlock it for you. This will protect your personal information as well as the information of your friends and family.
At a protest or demonstration, the police may stop you to ask you questions. You have the right not to answer their questions ever. If the police stop and talk to you, you can say, "Officer, with all due respect, I don't want to answer your questions." If they continue to talk with you, you can ask, "Am I being detained or am I free to go?" If you're being detained, you can say, "I wish to remain silent and I'd like to speak with an attorney." If you're free to go, you can say, "If I'm not being detained, I'd like to leave," and calmly walk away.
If you think your rights were violated while protesting, write down everything that you remember. The name of the officer, the badge number if you can get it, the patrol car number, and give a general description of everything that happened. And look around to see if there are any bystanders that can serve as witnesses and get their contact information, which may help you later down the road. Take photos or videos of any injuries that you might have sustained or any damage to property that resulted from the encounter. And lastly, we know that this is a scary situation to be in, to have to assert your rights to an officer during that moment. But we advise you to stay calm, stay cool, and stay collected, and assert your rights confidently.
Your voice matters. In fact, it's protected. So use it. Speak truth to power. Together, let's stop the government control of Black and brown bodies. Black lives matter.